You've seen me many times smoke on this Oklahoma Joe's Bronco right here. You've seen me lay my food out on the cooking grate. You've seen me hang my food. They've all come out delicious. But one thing you have not seen me done yet is grill using this Bronco. That's right, if you don't know, you can also grill on this Bronco. That's how fantastic it is. So let me show you how it's done. Let's get a closer look at the Bronco. So now if you can see, this will be the setup for whenever you are going to be doing some smoking. So here's the diffuser plate, right? Let's take that off. Now on the bottom, the charcoal basket. And then your ash pan, right? So that's the setup for whenever you're going to do smoking. So let's set it up to where we're gonna do grilling. All right, so here's your heat diffuser plate. So this is how you would be sitting it whenever you're gonna be smoking. That would be sitting in the middle of your barrel. So I want you to flip it around. So you know how you see it's like that. So then you'll get it. And it's going to sit upward now. So that's how they want the placement to be for the heat diffuser plate. And then here's your charcoal basket. Place the charcoal basket on top. Your cooking grate will sit on just like that. And now your charcoal basket is raised up closer to your cooking grate. Whatever you're going to be using, lump, charcoal briquettes, put it in your basket and grill whatever meat you're going to grill. All right, so you got it that way. But with that, obviously you're going to get ash. Ash is build up, ash in the fall. So ash is going to go and hit your diffuser plate. It's going to be messy and you don't want that, right? So best thing to do is use your diffuser plate just like you were when you're going to smoke. Set it up just like that. So set in just the way we would do it whenever we're going to smoke. Then you'll get your ash pan. You'll sit your ash pan right on it. You want to center it in the middle. Get your charcoal basket. Place it right on it. Now you get your cooking grate. And there it is. Like I said, whatever you're using, lump, charcoal briquettes. Now your charcoal basket is still raised up closer to your cooking grate. Now grill away, and now all the ash is gonna fall right into your ash pan, and that's what you want. It's gonna be a lot better and a less mess. All right, so now that you see how it is, now let's get it going. Let's fire it up. Let's grill some burgers. I'm using the Cowboy brand charcoal briquettes. How about that? Now, if you want, you can go and do a 2-zone where you can put all your briquettes on one side and have a cool side on the other side, but now I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm going to close it up and let the cooking grate warm up. All right, it's pretty hot, so let's just scrape off the leftovers from the previous cook. Yeah. But this is awesome right here. You just gotta love it. Not only can you smoke, hang your meat, but you can also grill on it. Can't beat that. So, season with salt and pepper. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna let it go. Yeah, you know, you can either leave it open like that, grill like that, or if you want to close it, however you want to do it, it's your choice. It's your Bronco, right? But let me go ahead and close it just for right now. And grab this and cheers, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Oh yeah, yeah. We smoking, right? We grilling. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm using the cowboy charcoal briquettes, but you can go and use whatever you want. If you want it hotter, use lump. You know, but this is what I got right now, so this is what I'm using. Yeah. Yep, yep. Flame broiled, right? Yeah, so yeah. Gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. You can smoke on it, you can grill on it. It's just as impressive. All right, remember, keep it wide open top, wide open bottom. So we're gonna go and do one more flip, and then we'll be done. Get it over here. Yeah, so ain't nothing to it, right? Ain't nothing to it. Just let the Bronco do its thing. Let's add some cheese. Gotta have cheese, right? Yeah. That cheese ain't gonna take much time to melt. Yeah, gotta have that cheese on there, right? All right, gonna let it sit for a bit. Cheesy. All right, I'm gonna take it off. They're done. Yep, cheesy. Yeah, so that's what it looks like afterwards. Yeah. Delicious right there. Well, I'm gonna dress them up and get to eating. All right, I'm gonna toast some buns. Yeah, let's just get that going. Well, that was it. Look at that. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it. That's just another thing that you can do on that Bronco. You can grill on it. Like, come on. That's not fair for the other jump smokers, right? Bronco, you can cook on it on the cooking grate. You can hang your meat, and you can also grill on it. Yeah, go out and do that. If you got the Bronco, go out and grill on it. Well, I'm about to chow down on this right here because I am hungry. Cheers. Oh yeah. Ain't nothing like a good burger, right? The jalapenos. Delicious. But I'm telling you, go out and grill. You got the Bronco, you haven't done it yet, go out and grill. Use whatever you're gonna want to use. If you use charcoal briquettes, that's fine. But if you want to use lump, hotter, that's fine too. The temperature on the Bronco, the temp gauge is reading over 300. So, I mean, some people don't even go by with that temp. It may be even higher than that, but I didn't even check to see what the correct temperature was at. But, you know. But you see, I'm chowing down. I'm hungry. So, if you hadn't known already, well, now you know that you can grill on the Bronco. I'll go out and do that if you haven't done already. Well, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Go out and grill.